Have you ever wished there was a simpler way to manage payments for your small business, a method as easy as sending money to a friend, but with all the professional features you need? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place. We're about to dive deep into a game changer for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and growing businesses, the Venmo Business account. In today's fast-paced digital world, cash is becoming a relic, and even traditional card machines can feel cumbersome. Your customers are already using peer-to-peer payment apps for everyday transactions. Why not meet them where they are? Venmo, with its massive user base and user-friendly interface, offers a powerful solution for businesses of all sizes. It's not just about convenience, it's about speed, transparency, and reaching a younger, more tech-savvy demographic. Think about it. No more fumbling for change, no more waiting for checks to clear, and no more complicated invoicing systems for simple transactions. Venmo Business streamlines your payment process, making it easier for your customers to pay you, and easier for you to track those payments. Whether you're selling handmade crafts at a local market, offering freelance design services, running a food truck, or even managing a small salon, a Venmo Business account can revolutionize how you handle your finances. But it's not just about receiving payments. A Venmo Business account offers a suite of features designed to help your business thrive. We're talking about clear transaction histories, easy refunds, and even the ability to create a public profile for your business, making it discoverable to millions of Venmo users. It's a powerful marketing tool disguised as a payment processor. So, if you're ready to modernize your payment system, reduce administrative overhead, and tap into a vast network of potential customers, stick around. Because in the next few minutes, we're going to walk through, step by step, everything you need to know about setting up and optimizing your Venmo Business account. From the initial sign-up process to understanding its various features and even some tips and tricks for maximizing its potential, we've got you covered. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a guide to unlocking a new level of financial efficiency for your business. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump right into the core of it, how to set up your Venmo Business account. The process is surprisingly straightforward, especially if you already have a personal Venmo account. If you don't worry, we'll cover that too. Step 1. Get a personal Venmo account, if you don't have one already. Before you can set up a business profile, you need a personal Venmo account. If you've already got one, feel free to skip ahead. If not, here's the quick rundown. Download the Venmo app, head to your device's App Store, Google Play for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS, and search for Venmo. Download and install the app. Sign up, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll be prompted to enter your phone number, email address, and create a strong password. Verify your information. Venmo will send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter this code to confirm your identity. Link a bank account or debit card. To send and receive money effectively, you'll need to link a funding source. Tap on the Me tab, your profile icon, then the Settings gear icon, then Payment Methods. You can link a debit card or a bank account. For a bank account, Venmo will typically make small deposits, often called microdeposits, that you'll need to verify within your bank statement to confirm the link. This might take a day or two. Once your personal account is set up and verified, you're ready to create your business profile. Step 2. Creating your Venmo business profile. This is where the magic happens. Open the Venmo app, log into your personal Venmo account. Navigate to your profile, tap on the Me tab, which is usually your profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Find Create a Business Profile, scroll down on your profile page. You should see an option that says Create a Business Profile or Business Profile. Tap on this. Let's get started /introduction. Venmo will present you with an introductory screen explaining some of the benefits of a business profile. Tap Let's Get Started or Continue. Tell us about your business. This is where you'll start inputting your business details. Business name, enter the official name of your business. This is what your customers will see. Business category, select the category that best describes your business. This helps Venmo understand your operations and can also make your business more discoverable. Options range from retail, food and drink, service, arts and entertainment, and more. Short description, optional but recommended. Write a brief, catchy description of what your business does. This is a great opportunity to tell potential customers what you offer. Keep it concise and engaging. Business profile picture, optional but recommended. Upload your business logo or a relevant image. This helps with branding and makes your profile look professional. Website, optional if you have a business website, enter its URL here. This provides another avenue for customers to learn more about you. Public business account, Venmo will usually default to making your business profile public, allowing others to search for and find your business. This is generally what you want for a business account, so ensure this option is enabled. Business location, optional if you have a physical storefront or a specific service area, you can add your business address. This is particularly useful for local businesses. Tax information, crucial for business accounts. This is a very important step. For regulatory and tax reporting purposes, Venmo will ask for your employer identification number, EIN, if you have one, or your social security number, SSN, if you are a sole proprietor. Venmo, like other payment processors, is required to report certain transaction volumes to the IRS. Providing accurate tax information ensures smooth operation and compliance. You'll typically need to provide your legal business name, business address, and tax identification number. Review and create profile. Carefully review all the information you've entered. Make sure your business name is spelled correctly, your category is accurate, and all details are up to date. Once you're satisfied, tap Create Profile or Confirm. Congratulations! You now have a Venmo business account. Understanding your Venmo business account. Now that you've set up your profile, let's explore some of the key features and how to use them effectively. Receiving payments. Scan to pay. Your business profile will have a unique QR code. Customers can simply scan this code using their Venmo app to pay you. This is incredibly convenient for in-person transactions. Search and pay. Customers can search for your business by name within the Venmo app and send you payments directly. This is great for services where customers might not be physically present. Payment requests. Just like with personal accounts, you can send payment requests to customers. This is ideal for invoicing or specific services. In-app purchases. Via compatible platforms, some e-commerce platforms can integrate Venmo as a payment option, allowing customers to pay directly from your website or online store using their Venmo account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.